How to fix Spotify not loading. Today guys I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Then go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last things guys is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like it and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.